The purpose of this course. As I alluded to earlier, the purpose of this course is to take all the required study time learning about story plot, arc, characterization, and everything else required to write a novel and put it on the back burner. You shouldn't need to study for hundreds of hours, taking up years of your life just to sit down and write a decent story. Of course, anyone can sit down and write a story, but for the people that don't have a natural talent or the time to study, this course is for you. This course is designed to take care of plot, subplot, and story arc required to outline a novel. The only thing you need to do is bring a basic whodunit idea with some simple character sketches that we'll probably talk about in a few minutes, and your creativity. The course takes care of the rest by walking you through a comprehensive chapter-by-chapter outline and dramatic storyline. Now you might be asking yourself, how can several people take the same course with the same dramatic storyline and not come out with the same novel? It's a good question, but there's a little known secret that I'll explain. One storyline equals thousands of possibilities. It's true, but how is it possible? It's possible because there are tried and tested storylines that work. And through the storyline, all a writer, or in the case of movies, a director has to do is change the setting, the characters, the subplot, exposition, and dialogue, and they have a completely different story or movie. The same goes for novel writers. Including what I just described, each writer has their own unique voice, and when you take that voice and perspective and add a different setting, character, and subplot, you come away with a completely different story. Take these hit movie storylines, for example. Turner and Hooch and Canine, Babe and Gordy, Wyatt Earp and Tombstone, Deep Impact and Armageddon, Bug's Life and Ants, or my favorite comparison, The Truman Show and Ed TV. All of these movies have the same basic storyline, yet had I not compared them, you would likely not even noticed that because the writers changed around the setting and the characters and the plot to suit their own story. It's done like this in the movies, and it's done like this in novels. If you spent the last few years studying storylines, you would see similarities in hundreds of books and movies. I do it all the time, and my wife can't stand it. When we're watching a movie and I press pause and tell her what's about to happen next and how the story's going to end. You know, the only time I have difficulty in determining the storyline of a movie or a book is when a writer takes great care in developing their characters and setting. I might be vaguely familiar with a plot, but if the characters are intriguing enough, it throws me off completely. So keep that in your mind. Your characters will make or break your entire story. As we get going here, I'm going to bring that up often, but it's important to remember. Characters make or break a story.